morning, guys! Today is a Monday and we are now in Pico de Oro, Batangas!
So happy to be here.
Yeah, so
Sobrang iba yung feel. So it's a Monday today.
we're going to
Kakarating
stay
lang
here ng
namin
1 week
yesterday.
din.
Yeah, 1 week kami dito. Sobrang iba yung feeling ng Monday dito sa Pico.
Monday! I'm having coffee right now para makapag-vlog ng maayos. So, yun na nga, 1 week tayo mag-stay dito because originally, dapat nag-stay kami dito nung long holiday. So, nandito na kami noon, kaya lang nagkaroon ng emergency. Anong emergency kaya yun?
Ano kaya yun, Molly? Eto si Molly, sobrang bored. Naisipan niyang sirain yung maleta ko at kunin yung chocolate. 100 grams of dark chocolate sa maleta. As in, naisip ko na yun na baka kainin niya kasi syempre, di ba? You have to think ahead. Tapos, sabi ko, baka hindi naman siguro niya sisirain yun kasi naka-net siya. So, hindi ko na yun binalikan, pero naisip ko siyang balikan yun. Pero na-underestimate ko siya. Pagbalik namin, wala na. Gutay-gutay na yung maleta ko, pati yung chocolate. Yung wrapper na lang na nagpakita namin.
So, yung long holiday namin naging day trip.
Day trip.
So, sobrang inis namin. Sabi ko, uuwi tayo ngayon pero 1 week ang bawi natin.
Grabe stress namin din.
So,
Wala
from
namang
Batangas
mangyari
to Makati ng vet, talagang in 2 hours?
3 hours.
3 hours yung biyahe, 2 to 3 hours. Kasi talagang Sunday night yun, hindi ako pwede mag-drive ng mabilis. Kasi
Yes.
hirap ako mag-drive sa gabi.
Thank God, wala naman siyang symptoms talaga. So, buti na lang.
So, right now, magbe-breakfast muna kami and mag-workout later on.
So, pause lang ng konti kasi this weather is so beautiful. Nakaka-motivate siyang gumalaw.
So, especially on a Monday, ang sarap gumising kanina kasi makikita mo agad by the balcony yung nature.
Yeah.
Andyan yung man-made lake sa harap mo, yung trees.
So, later we're gonna tour you guys. Short tour. So, ano na naman to? Airbnb din. So, if you guys wanna take a long week trip din.
Link down below.
We'll link it down below!
Time for breakfast na! Ito na yung ginawa ko kaninang oatmeal with protein powder from Atlin. Yung vanilla nougat nila for extra flavor. Mana natin. Nanonood lang ako ng vlog, guys. See you later.
Someone's gonna get money! Hey
Hi guys! Nandito kami sa tennis court. It's already 4:49 ng hapon. So, ang plan namin today is magpa-fetch kay Molly dito sa tennis court.
Papagurin namin siya for 10 minutes straight.
Oh, fish naman!
Wala namang butas no anywhere.
1, 2, galingan mo. Oh, dali!
Dito lang muna.
Oh. Kung makita nyo, sobrang distracted din Molly kasi hindi siya sanay sa outdoor. Because we live in a concrete jungle, kaya talagang indoor dog lang siya. So ngayon gusto namin siyang ma-expose sa outdoor activities. Ayan si Molly! So, sobrang saya manye. Hi guys, we're on our way to the beach. It's already 5:20 and mahabol kami ng araw.
For the sunset. Kasi 6 p.m. nagpapaahon na rin sila doon.
Yeah. So katatapos lang namin i-exercise si Molly sa tennis court. Medyo pagod na siya kanina pero nung lumabas kami ng unit, nagtatatalon sa door. Nakakaawa.
Sana they make this a pet-friendly place also.
Sa beach lang hindi siguro talaga.
Sa beach sana, okay lang. Basta you look out for your pet naman.
Eh,
Anyway, sana lang.
sana. So, see you guys there.
Swims at the beach. I'm just gonna chill here kasi I have to rest my lower back. I don't know what happened. Parang na-strain. So, I have to rest it a bit. Eh, medyo malamig yung tubig ngayon sa beach. So, ayoko siyang malamigan. So, I'm just gonna chill here. How's the swimming? Sarap. May mabasa watermelon. Kaya pumubulong. Kainis. Ibang-iba yung, guys, yung feeling pagka long weekend, tsaka yung wala.
Jellyfish. Pag-ahon ko, medyo may gumanon, kaya may parang sting dito.
Tsaka kasi nag-iingat.
Ba't nakita ko ba?
Gusto mo yan.
Sarap ng watermelon, walang sugar, pero ang tamis sobra. Para siya may sugar.
Baka naman. Baka hindi nila sinunod yung instructions ko.
Kasi kulang sugar eh.
Sinabi ko yun, ha? Kunyari ka pang walang sugar eh.
Tamis nga.
Hey guys! So it's already 2 p.m. We forgot na to vlog. Nung dumating kami mga an hour ago. Kasi we went to the city 30 minutes away from here. Kasi I had to buy antibiotics na emergency. Nag-progress na yung UTI ko. So,
It's not a city, bayan yun.
ano yung siyang bayan? The town.
Oh, yung city.
Anyway, sana sa Boo Center. We had to go there. Buti na lang meron dito malapit. And nag-grocery na rin ako ng rice. And we had to buy andoks, lechon, baka, and chicken. Para may ulam pa kami kasi parang mauubusan kami. We're here until Saturday or Sunday. So, yeah.
Saturday?
Baka Sunday na. So, yun. Mag-gym na si Mumi. I'm gonna rest here lang sa unit while doing some work. Ganda ng view naman ng pupo. Oh, ang ganda ng view niya pag ordered egg waffle here sa Mexican place beside the beach club. So let's try it.
We ordered burrito. Ano yun? Beef burrito.
Yeah, beef burrito. And
Gambas
barbecue.
with rice. And barbecue flavored fries.
Hindi na namin na video kasi kanina wala kami sa mood because of something. Yung bigla ang news. Anyway, so we're gonna eat this dessert muna. Molly! Another day, another Molly walk. Molly.
Good morning guys! Today is our day 4 here in Pico. And I'm drinking my pre-workout kasi mag-workout na tayo mamaya. And ang plan for today is magluto ng breakfast. Since may baon kaming pang breakfast.
Yes! Finally, maluluto na natin yung baon natin. Hindi tayo bibili sa labas.
Yeah. So may baon kaming pang pancake, tapos chicken sausage, and then
American
eggs.
breakfast.
Yeah.
American breakfast. Oh.
So, yun ang plan after working out. Hi guys, share ko lang sa inyo before ako mag-workout. I use this workout enhancer. So, it's called Sweet Sweat. Nabili ko lang siya sa Lazada and ginagamit ko to maximize my workout kasi it helps me regulate my body temperature lalo na kapag malamig ang aircon sa gym. So, gumagamit ako nito pati ng pre-workout. So, it helps me sweat out a little bit faster. And iba rin yung feeling kasi na parang hindi ka nilalamig sa gym. So, mas masarap magbuhat ng weights kapag yung body mo is parang na-warm up na. So, this is what it looks like inside. So, it's a cream and lotion texture. So, mag-apply lang ko nito, ganito lang, sa upper body ko. Spread ko lang siya evenly para ma-feel ko yung thermogenic effect niya. And then, pwede rin pala siya sa swimming. So, perfect siya for beach and swimming pool na malamig ang tubig. So, link down below if you're interested. Okay, I'm in the gym now and chest, shoulders, and triceps tayo for today. So nakapag-chest na tayo kanina. Doing shoulders right now. Tapos mamaya triceps. Hi guys! Tapos na ako mag-workout, so I'm heading back sa unit na to cook our breakfast. Medyo late na nga eh. It's already 10:30, so magluluto na ako ng pancakes, eggs, and sausages. Let's go!
Okay, so we tried this banana empanada. Kasi nakita namin to kahapon, but we chose egg waffle over it. So ngayon, ito naman try natin. Hey! Try mo na! Go try it.
Nag-drink sa init.
Go try it. Go try it.
Hi guys, kakaubos lang namin ng banana empanada. Meron pang bitin na nag-order ng pizza, hindi siya makapagtigil. Sabi ko, sige na, orderin mo na.
Yeah, so in-order na. So after pizza, let's see kung gusto ko na egg waffle. Stop.
Hi guys, bibilis ako ng spiel ngayon at medyo maingay ang sounds dito, baka makapiright na. But we're just chilling by the beach. Isa dito, kukuha daw ng towel maya-maya kasi we're gonna swim kababa ni araw, kaya pwede na mag-swimming yung isa. So, meron jellyfish na sign dito, so medyo nakakatakot mag-swimming.
Available yung egg waffle. Kailangan na-try pa namin kahapon. Siguro pa. Okay, ito yung pinapakain talaga.
Club sandwich na.
Doon naman sa kabila. Okay, change then. Club sandwich. Let's go. Okay, we're here at Sun Coral Cafe instead kasi wala yung egg waffle sa Reef Bar. So, order kami ng club sandwich. And maybe we're gonna order a smoothie later. Hey guys, so it's our last day here, last full day in Pico, and it's already 1:30. I'm just having my lunch while watching vlogs. I'm watching that's Bella Whitey right now. So I'm having quick lunch kasi later pupunta na kami sa beach. And then, we're gonna go there earlier kasi gusto na namin sulitin before we leave tomorrow.
Hi guys, we're here at Sun Coral Cafe. It's already 3:52 and we're about to eat our lunch, late lunch. So, order pala kami ng pasta. Hindi pa nakapag-decide yung kasama ko kung anong kakainin.
Uy, nakapag-decide na ako. We're gonna order sinigang na baboy.
So, kain muna kami ng full meal before kami mag-dessert.
Swimming and dessert. Sana may egg waffles meal this time. Kung hindi, kukunin ko yung pancake batter sa house. Ibigay ko sa kanila.
So may pancake batter sa house kasi hindi ko pa natatapos lutuin yung pancake because tumidikit siya sa may pan.
We need oil. We have to buy oil later pag uwi.
So kung nakita nyo sa vlog, wala akong content na maayos for the pancakes kasi talagang it's a fail.
Fail, ang weird yung consistency niya. Para lang siyang jello na. Basta hindi siya okay. So we have to buy oil kasi sayang naman na mix na niya. We have to use it. And eat it. Not use it.
So it's our last full day here kaya medyo maaga ulit kami. We're
Yeah,
going
we're
home
gonna miss
tomorrow.
this.
Medyo maaga kami check out dahil may guest next week.
Yeah.
So maaga kami aalis. And mas maganda pa rin naman maaga umalis kasi traffic din.
Oo, gusto ko umalis before 11. Hopefully.
So mag-pre-pack kami tonight after ng walk ni Mon. Tapos gonna hit the sack early. Food has been served. Ito na yung gambas pasta.
This is the sinigang. Guys, this is so nice. Then last, yung sprinkle.
Uy, ang daya!
Sunog na ice cream lang.
Ano in order mo?
Egg waffle with salted caramel ice cream. It's my favorite thing. New cake.
So we transferred it sa plate kasi mahirap painin dun sa cup. And mas mapaportion namin ng panghati talaga. Mamaya dumaming kuwan nyo sa dito.
Or ikaw. Bon appetit. Parang salted na.
Mas bagay. Yan lang ito ba?
Yan ang walang melody.
Ay?
Tsaka ngayon may mga marshmallow. Tapos sprinkles.
Dapat may chocolate sa loob ng waffle.
Wala. May pancake mix na sila ngayon. So happy.
Tinanong mo talaga yun yung walang kapon? Okay.
May ice cream naman eh, tsaka topping. Ito lang naman wala.
Adik kasi siya.
Madideduce mo na yung wala.
Deduce.
Naka-record. Sabi guys,
Harap ng
ang
caramel.
sarap ng waffle. Kasi ang ano niya, buong-buo ang ligas. Wala siyang air sa loob. Ang caramel. Perfect. Okay, we're going home. Bye, Pika. It's been good. Thank you. Check out. Thank you. Bye, Pika. Hey guys. So it's already 12:40. Mga 40 minutes na kaming stuck sa traffic. nagtatago doon.
Huwag mo ako isama
40
dyan.
minutes na kami stuck sa traffic! Ah! Bakit hindi kami gumagalaw? Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Itong ano na to, part ng Cavite. Kasi malapit na kami sa toll. Traffic talaga.
Layo pa.
Nakanood na kami ng isang episode ng Can't Buy Me Love. Wala pa rin. And
Isang
that's-
episode na yun?
Oo.
Nasimulan ba natin?
Ano kaya? 20 minutes lang kasi yun. Grabe,
Oh, you know.
pa rin kami. Anyway, nagugutom na kami. Pero ayaw mag-stop itong isang to. Kasi gusto na daw niya makauwi.
Nagugutom?
Gutom na
Doon
ka.
nga tayo kakain sa Makati.